What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable and disable send as SMS message. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up your settings, and you're going to scroll down to messages, and you're going to open that up. And then once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way down to send as an SMS. Okay. So send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Carrier messaging rates may apply. So to enable this, you just tap it and switch that toggle to the right. And then, of course, to disable it, you just tap it again. And yeah, guys, that's how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.